Hey writers! Today I want to look at the cycle of creativity and how we can find a writing practice that is what I like to call sustainable. So we're not having those periods of drought where we feel that we don't have any ideas and we feel we can't write, and then suddenly coming into a manic writing phase and binging. As I've been looking at the fields around me where I live, and I've been noticing the harvest, the wheat getting cut, and then I've been smelling the fields as the fertilizer gets laid down, I thought that this field was a really nice place to come and explore the creative seasons, as you like, and be really inspired by nature and how nature grows and regenerates. So I'm going to take the typewriter into this field and really dig in and find out what it is to listen to the source of creativity within you and really feel the flow that it's asking for. I'm excited to see what happens. The word that comes to me as I sit here and explore what it is to follow the creative cycle within is priorities. When I think of plants in nature growing, they have a clear focus. Even though it makes me smile to think of a plant having focus, I realize I'm not implying that plants have thoughts. And in fact, when we get sidetracked by our thoughts, that's when our priorities lead us away from staying aligned to our creative rhythm. The focus comes from within. It can help to imagine the way the focus for growth would take place in a stalk of wheat. How it feels the warmth of the sun. And it raises its face towards that, feels the light coaxing it. And then when the sky becomes dense with cloud, the wheat stalk will feel that shift of pressure in the air and know that soon it will be able to drink from the rains. Here is where we're following natural priorities, growing towards our work in progress. It is thought that will come between the lure of that inward pulse. It might say, but how can I put my writing first when there are other things to do? Come back to the stalk of wheat. When the wind blows, the stalk doesn't think, oh, well, that's it, what a drama, I can't handle this. No, the wheat dances. And in this back and forth in the wind, the wheat grows strong, and it grows even firmer in its bid for life. When writing is your life, then creativity and those urges to express, to form words and to touch people with your thoughts, that all becomes a priority. The fears, those thoughts that come, they are simply the wind against which you can prove your resolve. And now the harvest has cut the wheat and the straw will be gathered and it will be baled and it will become bedding for horses. It all goes round and round. Follow your natural cycle by resisting the story that your mind wants to tell you. Too busy, not enough time, no chance of making a living from this. And return to the wheat that grows within you. This seed of creativity will grow towards the sun, and it will lead you to become high and strong if you let it. I really can't tell you what it means to me to bring my desk and to bring my typewriter out into these locations. If this is the first time that you've seen one of these videos, yeah, this is pretty much what I get up to on this channel, as well as plenty of advice. So I would love it if you felt inclined to subscribe and join me on this amazing journey. For me, exploring creativity and what it really means to show up as a writer is probably one of the biggest passions that I have as a performance coach, and looking forward to seeing you on the next one.